Good morning. How beautiful weather is today. It is yesterday snow. Winter has strike back again and beautiful weather. Let's see. This is Thorncliffe Park Drive, Toronto. Hi, hi everyone. Do you imagine this beautiful day? Say something. When I goes to subway station, I often hear or read a line over there. See something. If you see something, say something. So, same question for you. This is a snowman. If you see something around you, say something. I am talking about the weather this morning and beautiful scenery. This is Toronto, Canada, Toronto city, my friends. Yes, this is Toronto, Danieli. Not North York, this is Thorncliffe Park Drive, East York. I love this sky, blue sky with the white clouds attracts me. I want to fly in this sky. Do you? Hello Eva, how are you? Do you like this weather? See? Beautiful sky. Yes, this is Toronto. So this is Toronto. Daily I meet this guy, dog walker. He comes. Morning, how are you?
Good
Good?
stuff.
Yeah. So guys, I love this weather. I love this scenery. I love this landscape. I am art lover. I am a painter, artist, and a writer. So I love nature. Nature, Mother Nature is beautiful. We all have to go in nature at the end. We came from nature and we will sleep in nature. So dark Thunderbee morning. Now it's time to cross the road. So guys, see this view. It looked like heaven. Today's weather is very blessing and I am thinking to The construction guys are working. Metrolink is taking over this area for their subway station and blah blah blah. There will be a high-rise building here in future, and this whole area will be totally changed. I don't know we will be here or not, but God knows better. This is great mosque of the area, Masjid Darul Islam. See? Nature is beautiful. Nature is loving. Everything is nature. We are nothing against nature. But we always try to damage the beauty of nature. This is our big fault. Our human society don't care the nature. Sorry, I could not check. Someone was trying to sending me invitation. Send it again. I can join you, please. I did not see. I was busy and talking. Umayali. So Umayali, see the beauty of nature. If someone likes this beautiful weather, if someone likes this beautiful weather, this is my weakness. So it's time to go inside my office. Hama Mohammadi. Welcome, good morning, Assalamu alaikum. So, say something, my friends. I am here showing you the beautiful landscape, Guy which I cannot pronounce your name, Guy. It is hard to read for me. ਸੁਖ ਮਾਹੀ ਜੀ, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ? ਠੀਕ ਹੋ? Volvo door, thank you for joining me. So I want to show this area as well. This side is a parking lot near Iqbal Food. You may see the Iqbal Halal Food. This is the biggest store in this area for the Desi community. Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi food and halal meat. Everyone can enjoy their own food at one spot. So this area will soon demolish by the Metrolinx, and there will be a Metrolinx yard for the trains behind this Iqbal Halal Food, and to the this side or toward yard for the trains behind this Iqbal Halal Food, and to the this side or toward the bottom of that buildings will be the subway station for this area. So soon this all area will change the whole structure, whole shape and whole landscape. There will be new residential and commercial building will appear. Let's see what happens. We have to leave this office building. I think 1st April. We are here only for the 1 month. Then we will have to move somewhere else. So guys, I'm going to take break from you and going inside my office. Goodbye. Have a great day, beautiful day, shiny day, and enjoy the sunny day today. Thank you. Good luck. Goodbye. Take care.